So lesson number 15 is all about the cases of meme sakina. There are 3 cases of meme sakina: idgham shafwi, ikfa shafwi, and izhar shafwi. The difference is very easy to understand, that when there will be a letter ba present after meme sakin, that will be ikfa shafwi. When another meme comes after meme sakin, that will be idgham shafwi. And izhar shafwi is to be when any letter other than ba and meme will be present after meme sakina. That will be izhar shafwi. We don't do gunna in izhar shafwi, but we do gunna nasalization there in idgham shafwi and ikfa shafwi. Okay, so you was reading the word walakum ma kasabtum. So can you tell me that which case of meme sakina is to be followed there in that word? Which rule will be applied in between the words walakum ma kasabtum? Asnan, can you hear me? So what rule is to be applicable in that word what you read? Can you hear me? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Hasnan, speak something.
Hello.
Ji, I'm speaking. Can you not hear me?
Connection is bad in this room.
So I was asking you about the rule in that word walakum. In walakum ma kasabtum, what is the rule to be followed in between these two words?
Idgham shafwi.
Yeah, idgham shafwi, as another meme is present after meme sakina. What about the next word wal amru?
Izhar shafwi.
Izhar shafwi. Do you know why?
Because the meme sakin.
Yeah, because of meme sakin, but you have to tell me the full definition of izhar shafwi.
The ba or meme comes after meme sakin.
Any other letter except ba and meme.
If any letter other than ba or meme, then it comes after meme sakina.
Yes, any letter other than ba and meme will be there after meme sakina. In that case, we apply izhar shafwi and we don't do gunna there. Fine. So the next word is ta'tihim bi ayatin. What about this?
Ikfa shafwi.
How?
Because there's the ba it comes after the meme sakina, so that means that you have to do guna and it's ikfa shafi.
Very good. Yeah, you're 100% right. Correct answer. Whenever you'll see a bar present after meme sakina, you will do gunna there and applying the rule of ikhfa shafi. Fine. But it must be after meme sakina. The meme should be sakina there, not carrying any harkat other than jazm sign. If meme would not be sakina, the rule of ikfa shafi would not be applicable. Okay, because we are just reading about the cases of meme sakina, not about the meme mutaharrika. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next one is amdo. We are not doing gunna because of izhar shafawi. Though is other than ba or meme present after meme sakina, so we are applying izhar shafawi in that word amdo. Okay. In the next box there is ataitukum min kitabin. We're doing gunna twice there in that words in that box. There are three words ataitukum, then min, then kitabin. But when we are reading them all three words together, we are applying the rules. We need to apply the rule accordingly. First rule would be idgham shafwi, which we have read in this lesson about the meme sakina cases, as another meme is present after meme sakina. So we are applying idgham shafwi doing gunna here, but can you tell me the rule or another rule on which we are doing gunna?
Ikfa shafi.
There is no ba present after meme sakin. I can't see that.
Izhar shafi.
There's no meme sakin and there's no any another meme sakin. I have told you about the first meme sakin, that is idgham shafwi, but there is no any other meme sakin. So how can you call the ikfa shafwi or izhar shafwi there? Just focus on the word and tell me accordingly. I am doing gunna first on the meme sakin and the second gunna over noon sakina as ataitukum min kitabin. The second gunna is on noon sakina where kaf is present after it. Kaf is a ikfa letter. So we are applying the ikfa rule there. The second gunna is due to ikfa rule, which we have read in lesson number 12 of Madani Qaidah. And we have also revised it yesterday. So you need to revise, you need to keep in your mind what you have read and practiced before so that you can follow them afterwards. See you then. Our class time is over. Remember me in your prayers and take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.